The ZIHNIC WH-816 wireless headphones feature a foldable design, soft ear cushions, and a comfortable fit. With Bluetooth connectivity, deep bass, and wired mode, they deliver a versatile, everyday audio experience. What's in the box? In the box, you find the ZIHNIC WH-816 headphones, charging cable, 3.5mm aux cable, and user manual. How to wear. Wear the headphones with the L logo on your left ear and the R logo on your right ear. Adjust the length of the headband should fit comfortably. How to charge. To charge the headphones, plug the USB-C cable into the headphones and connect it to a power source. A red light will turn on to indicate that charging has started. Make sure the cable is properly connected. Once fully charged, the light may turn off or change color. How to pair. To pair your ZIHNIC WH-816 headphones with an Android device, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and tap Pair New Device. Press and hold the power button on the headphones until the LED flashes red and blue, showing pairing mode is active. When ZIHNIC WH-816 appears in the available devices list, tap it to connect and complete the pairing. Smart features? The features a smart foldable structure that lets you easily collapse the headphones for compact storage and travel. Lightweight build makes them easy to carry in a bag, perfect for daily use, commuting, or trips. It delivers punchy, deep bass with clear stereo output, making music more energetic and immersive. Its balanced sound profile enhances vocals and instruments while still keeping strong low-end performance for everyday listening. It supports both Bluetooth wireless and 3.5mm wired connections for flexible listening anytime. You can switch to wired mode when the battery is low, ensuring uninterrupted music without needing a charge. It comes with soft memory foam ear pads that gently conform to your ears for a snug and comfortable fit. They help reduce pressure during long listening sessions while also improving passive noise isolation for a more immersive sound experience. It includes easy on-ear controls that let you play-pause music, adjust volume, and switch tracks without using your device. It also has a built-in microphone for clear hands-free calls, making it convenient for meetings, calls, and daily communication. The ZIHNIC WH-816 headphones feature a built-in micro SD/TF card slot that supports up to 32 GB, allowing you to play MP3 music directly from a memory card without needing a phone or Bluetooth connection. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the ZIHNIC WH-816 headphones from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your ZIHNIC WH-816 headphones. See you at the next one.